Welcome back to ClearSpot. Imagine if we could use flying robots to power the planet. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already happening. In today's video, we'll explore how drones are transforming the world of solar energy, making it faster, safer, and smarter to produce clean power from the sun. Let's dive in. Solar energy is growing at lightning speed. Around the world, millions of panels are being installed on rooftops, fields, and even deserts. They convert sunlight directly into electricity with zero emissions. But here's the catch. Setting up and maintaining all these panels is a huge challenge. Solar farms can stretch across thousands of acres. Manually inspecting each panel can take weeks, and even a small defect can cut power production. That's where drones come in. Drones are like eyes in the sky. Equipped with high-resolution and thermal cameras, they can scan thousands of solar panels in just a few hours. Instead of sending technicians to walk for miles under the hot sun, companies can fly drones to detect cracks, dirt, or faulty connections instantly. Thermal images reveal hot spots where electricity isn't flowing correctly, something you'd never see with the naked eye. This means faster repairs, less downtime, and more clean power feeding into the grid. Some drones even use AI to analyze the images on the spot, flagging exactly which panels need fixing. Drones don't just inspect panels, they help build them too. Before construction begins, drones map the land using LiDAR and photogrammetry. This creates 3D models so engineers can design solar farms with precision. During installation, drones track progress from above, making sure everything lines up perfectly. This saves weeks of time and reduces costly mistakes. Did you know dusty panels can lose up to 25% of their efficiency? In deserts, that's a big deal. Now, companies are testing cleaning drones, tiny flying robots with soft brushes or water jets to wash panels safely. This avoids using heavy trucks that can damage the ground or waste water. By combining drones and solar, we get a double win for the environment. Clean energy from the sun and less pollution from vehicles doing inspections. It's faster, cheaper, and better for the planet. In the future, swarms of autonomous drones could monitor entire solar farms 24/7. Imagine self-charging drones powered by the very solar panels they inspect. This technology is only getting smarter and more affordable. Drones are proving that the sky is not the limit. It's the solution. The combination of drones and solar energy is helping us move toward a cleaner and brighter future. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decision.